everyone. So I've bought all this reclaimed floorboards that's currently absolutely filthy, and I want it to look more like this, which is like dirty but sexy. And so to do that, I've built the wood raker. Again, you may recognise this. So this is my pillar drill with a specialised head that I've made using 8 wire brushes mounted on a spindle with a bearing in the base, so that turns like that. And then we've got this flexible springboard here to keep the wood against the brushes, and it works a little bit like this.